confident but not overconfident.
How many, sir?
We're around 15 na of the last count. Kaya lang, yung iba nga, sabi, papaalam muna sila and nakaupo pa yung Pangulo ngayon. Tapos yung iba, siyempre kasama nilang, Senator Soto already campaigned with the others nung akala niya mananalo si Senator Grace. Si Senator Drilon already campaigned nung akala niya mananalo si Secretary Mar. So natural na may mga grupo-grupo na, pero alam naman natin lahat, individual ang usapan dyan. And then magbubuo ng bagong Senate majority. So we're not overconfident. But we're confident that everyone wants to support the President. Nasabi ko lang, may nabubuong consensus na senators are giving their commitment. Maraming nagtatanong kung ano magiging direksyon.